Listening to the SG of the African National Congress, Ufikile Mbalula, the way he is speaking about Tony Yengeni, and also listening to how the same SG is speaking about Ubaba Jacob Zuma, it just seals the deal, about the direction of the ANC and the future of the ANC. And then you also listen to the ANC Youth League president, this boy they call Colin Malachi or something like that. You listen to how he talks about people that are his elders, as much as maybe he does not agree with them politically. But if you listen to the way he addresses them and the lack of respect that he shows, and also the lack of political argument or political content that he has in his disagreements with those leaders, it just exposes how the ANC no longer has any young leaders with political content, also with the bravery to attack the real issues instead of focusing on the misdirected enemies that they mention. It is very ironic to hear a guy like Fikile Mbalula call a man like Utoni Yengeni a political Casanova. That is just a misdirection of a factual analysis. You cannot have a guy like Fikile Mbalula, speak the way he does about Utoni Yengeni. Firstly, if we look at these two people and we compare them in terms of their contribution into where we are right now as a country, it is night and day. And then you also look at a guy like Colin Malachi and you look back at his track record and the things that you can say he has done. There's absolutely nothing. So this just shows Uti, we are living in a generation where we have people who have nothing to show in terms of them being of service of the people or them being innovators in any way. But you have those people going against tried and tested people that have been around when it was unfashionable and they did what had to be done. No one